Okay, so you say you wanted to hear the motor start, and you want me to put on forward and reverse. This is the motor here. Um, Tiller. This is the electric start, and this is choke here. This is stop. This is it's white, so they painted when my uncle got it, he painted a camel, I believe, but it's been years ago. But it's a long shaft. I'll start it up for you. Prime it. So you got to put it on these. You got to put it on a neutral in order to start it. You can't put it on 4 because it's not gonna start. You have to put it on neutral. Because they made it that way because it has a safety switch. So you have to put it on neutral. All right, it's on neutral, and then we'll start it up. Choke. A little bit. All right. I'll put on reverse. Reverse. That's on reverse. That's on neutral. Put on reverse. That's on reverse. Forward. Sorry. That's on forward. That's on neutral. Okay. It's a Johnson. It's a 25 horse. This is the inside. This is it right here. Still looks